Okay, here's the Star Wars main theme. Right hand's going to start on middle C with your one finger, 2 on D, 3 on E, 4 on F, 5 on G. Left hand's going to start with their fourth finger, 3 notes down on G. Okay, so put your fourth finger on G, second on A, third on A, second on B, and first we'll share middle C, and our pinky will be on F. I'm going to play through this, and then I'm going to go over every bar note by note. Okay, let's take a listen. Okay, now let's go over every bar. Go back to the beginning. Remember your position. Middle C, one finger. 2 on D, 3 on E, 4 on F, 5 on G. Left hand, fourth finger on G, okay? Now let's do the first bar. We're going to play G, 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 right hand plays C, then right hand plays G, F, E, D, and our left hand is going to cross up to this C and hit C, and then the right hand plays G, F, E, D, and that's the end of the first bar. Okay? So you want to move this left hand early when you play it. Watch me. I'm already here. See, I was just waiting here. Now let's start with the second bar. I'm going to hit this C again, and then G in the right hand, F, E, F, and I moved my left hand back early to G, and we're going to play G and D together. So that's the end of the first part, which we're going to repeat twice. Okay? Now the other half of that bar stays here on F, and we're going to go, on G, sorry about that. We're going to go G, G, A, right hand plays F, E, we're going to play D and A together, then C, and that's the end of that bar. Okay? So look at the third bar now. You've never done these before. There's a 3 above 3 notes that are connected by a line. That is called a triplet. And all we're trying to do there is play those 3 notes kind of fast, like this. Just like that, okay? So let's talk about what the notes are first. C, D, E, and then we hit a D. The way you want to play that is like you would say the word triplet. Watch. Triplet, so kind of fast, and we're going to land on that D. So C, D, E, D, left hand plays A, B, G, G, A, F, E, D, C, G, D, G, G, A, F, E. That's the end of the third bar. Let's look at the fourth bar. We're going to play D in the right hand and A in the left together. Then right hand C, here's that triplet again. C, D, E, D, A, B. Right hand G, G, and here it says left hand over. We're going to cross up to that C again, and we're going to have our middle finger resting on this black key right here. This is a flat. This is B flat. We're just going to rest it right there. We're going to go C, B flat, A, right hand plays G, F, and we're going to play this black key right here. This is E flat, D, C, G, D, okay? Now we're going to move back to the original position. Fourth finger on G, 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 and that's the end of that bar. And we're kind of repeating here, okay? Right hand on the next bar, C, G, F, E, D, C, G, F, E, D, C. Okay, now we're on the final bar. G, F, E, F, and you should have moved back by now and played D and G together. And then I want you to just move your hand up. You're not going to be a middle C anymore. You're going to move up to the higher C with your one finger, and you're going to move your left hand, move your pinky down to the low C. Okay? We're going to hit right hand C, 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 and then C's together. Okay? So you see, here's middle C, here's bass C. This is the low C. This is the one really far down here. Okay? All right. So now we've went over every single bar and when to move your hands and stuff. Make sure that you practice each bar, just one bar at a time, and get each bar perfect before you move on, okay? Just practice a bar a day, and you should have this thing done in like 6 days, okay? We've got weeks and weeks to work on this, so if you have any questions, we'll address those in class. All right, good luck.